Hey, it's that time of year again. And if you're like me, you're probably swimming in a sea of paperwork. Yes, it is tax time. But are you taking advantage of all the opportunities that you have in front of you, like I do? I have them in front of me, you have them in front of you. If you're a high earner, you could actually use real estate as a life raft in the sea of taxes. Let's take a look at this. You can become a real estate professional and you could do 750 hours a year or 50% of your time or more in real estate, in and around real estate. But for a lot of people, that's not possible, right? You have a full-time job and you're looking to offset your active income. So I got a question for you. How about your spouse? Is your spouse capable of becoming a real estate professional? I guess we need to know what a real estate professional means then. Another way you could look at this too, another opportunity, what if you invested in short-term rentals? You know, the key is finding these opportunities where we can use passive losses to offset our active income. If we can cross that line with the current tax code, I'm telling you what, it is a life raft in the sea of taxes. How would it feel to not spend or give away six figures in taxes every year? How would you feel if you could keep more of that money, the hard-earned money that you've made? How many patients would you have to see? How many problems would you have to listen to in order to make six figures that you give away in taxes every year? It is possible to keep more of the money that you make.